What? Terasu is done making Blue Lock Rivals videos. Let me go check out his main channel.
Am I tweaking?
Yeah, not gonna lie, I'm pretty sure I read that. That was his last Blue Lock Rivals video. Let's check out the comments. Yeah, bro is never leaving Blue Lock Rivals. So since that was his last Blue Lock Rivals video, I guess that I am going to be the replacement.
No.
So welcome to my first real Blue Lock Rivals video. Blue Lock Rivals. So here are my styles. Miro, help a brother out.
Huh?
And I also pulled firework Bachira during his Wednesday admin abuse.
Thank you.
And here is my flow. Well, not to bore you guys, let's get started. Excuse me, where am I at? Oh, never mind. Where did bro just come from? Yeah, I'm never passing again. Bro, I take it to week break, and this happens. What did he even just do?
I can see why Terasu quit, because genuinely, what are these hitboxes? I literally was a whole foot closer to him and he still got the ball.
Yeah, bro, I quit. Bro, what just happened on my screen? By the way, he totally didn't score. Freak just happened. Of course there is a Kaiser user on my team. Yo dog, what is this animation? Why so built like that? Yo Miro locking dog. Wait, that was kind of cool. Why does everyone have a glowing aura around them? Dog, what is even happening? Who's even on my team anymore? Shot the wrong way, my boy. Yo, since when could Nagi dash like that? Gang just passed the ball. Yo bro, this Kaiser is about to make me tweet. And he gave it to the opposite team.
Huh?
Yo, what is this Gunara game? If I hear that again, I am out of here. Pass back since I am a good teammate. The recording got corrupted, so it cut to my awakening. This was not done on purpose. Still tough awakening. Throw this buggy on move. Why are my teammates fighting for the ball? I got to be the toughest person in the world for doing that. Yes sir, WMVP. Anyways, that will be it for today's video, and I hope you all enjoy it as much as I enjoyed recording this. Also shout out to my teammates, and Terasu, please watch this. Also thanks for 20 subscribers.
Thank you.